This week's top InfoSec stories include internet shutdown during the Winter Olympics, free decryption keys for Chronicle ransomware, Kaspersky Lab files a new lawsuit, and SAP releases new security patches. This is Hacker Weekly for Friday, February 16th, 2018, and I'm your host, Marley Oxenholm. South Korea has investigated a mysterious internet shutdown during the Winter Olympics opening ceremony. According to game organizers, internal internet and Wi-Fi systems crashed at about 7:15 p.m. on Friday and were still not back online the following day. Cybersecurity experts from South Korea's defense ministry, as well as 4 other ministries, formed a task force investigating the shutdown. Luckily, the shutdown didn't affect any aspects of the opening ceremony. A spokeswoman for the game organizers, Nancy Park, stated, "We don't want to speculate because we're still trying to find out what the root source is." In other news, decryption keys are now available for a current version of Chronicle ransomware, which has been uploaded for free to the No More Ransom website. This allows victims of Chronicle to recover encrypted files with the ROCKNY decryptor available from Kaspersky Lab or No More Ransom. According to Europol, they state that the No More Ransom site has enabled more than 35,000 ransomware victims to recover their files without having to pay the hackers. The ROCKNY decryptor was developed by Kaspersky Lab and can decrypt older versions as well as the latest. And in related news, Kaspersky Lab has filed a new lawsuit over the U.S. government's decision to ban its products in federal agencies. The government filed a response to the injunction earlier this month, and Kaspersky responded this week with a new lawsuit that challenges the NDAA as a bill of attainder. A bill of attainder is a legislative act that singles out an individual or group for punishment without a trial. Kaspersky Lab stated no evidence has been presented of any wrongdoing by the company or of any misuse of its products. Kaspersky Lab is proven to be one of the world's leading IT security companies with a track record of uncovering malicious code and threat actors regardless of their origin or purpose. And lastly, SAP has just released its monthly set of security patches for its products, addressing a total of 11 new vulnerabilities, 2 of which are considered high risk. According to SAP, the security notes that were released fixed 3 cross-site scripting flaws, 2 directorial traversal issues, 2 missing authorization checks, 2 information disclosure bugs, 1 unrestricted file upload, and 4 other vulnerabilities. That's all I have for you guys today, and thank you for tuning in for your current InfoSec highlights at Hacker Weekly. This episode was brought to you by Pentester Academy, the leader in online cybersecurity education. Join over 10,000 professionals from 90 countries to learn security online. Also brought to you by Hacker Arsenal, artillery for cyber warriors. Visit us on hackerarsenal.com to check out our latest attack defense gadgets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.